Hi, I'm Sherry Davidson with Davidson Realty, and I have the pleasure this afternoon of being here with John Unkefer from Legacy Builders. John, could you tell us a little bit about your company?
Sure. I started Legacy Builders 16 years ago as a true custom builder. I know there's a lot of people that say they're custom builders, but basically we will do anything. We'll start with a paper napkin, we'll start with a plan. We're here to figure out what you need and meet those needs.
Now, we have lots of different customers with lots of different needs. How would you go about telling a customer how they could work with you?
Sure. Most of my customers come, that's not their first house. They've had a couple of houses. They know what they want. They're looking for quality. They're looking for a good price, a fair price, and they want to be able to customize the house to their needs, not buy what's available. And so we'll sit down with them and figure out what their wish list is. That consists of design, the structure of the house, the shape of the house, but also the finishes and what's in the house. And so we can start. Some of the customers already have a plan or an idea of a plan, and we'll take that and take it to the finished state, design a plan from that meets their needs. We have a relationship with architects that provide plans, and we can send them to their websites and they can look for plans they like. Most of the time they find something that they like, but it's not 100% what they need. Or they'll find 2 or 3 plans that they like different parts of the plan. And so we can take those plans and design them and melt them together and create a plan that's just for them and works for them. And one of the neat things about that is, we'll have a customer that comes in and they say, I need a certain square footage because that's what they've calculated they need. And they've looked at houses that are available and on the market and all that. But when we sit down and put together everything they need and we don't build what they don't need, a lot of times they can accomplish exactly what they need in less square footage and get what they want.
How do they get a feel for what their house is going to be like since they can't see it?
Well, that's one of the challenges that in the last few recent years has really come a long way. So because we've never built the same house twice, we don't have a model that somebody can walk through, and we don't have something that we can show you this level here and this level there. We do use Plan 3D imaging, and so all of our designs are done on a CAD program that also provides 3D imaging, and we can show you your house, what it's going to look like before we build it. We can show you the interior of it, and we can show you what it's going to look like, and it helps get past that spatial wall and be able to see what you're going to build and know that it's going to work for you.
And this is an example of the 3D imaging?
Yeah, this is a house that we've just completed the design on, and so we can bring it up, and this is a house that we're going to build in Jacksonville, and we can turn the house around, we can change colors and textures, we can show this one has a concrete tile roof, paver driveway, and we can spin it around for the client and show them what their lanai, and we can put a pool in there, show them what the doors are going to look like.
That is very cool.
And that just helps them, and when we change things around, it changes in the plan, and we can show them these windows were white at one time and now they're dark, and that helps them see what that's going to look like. Another thing I can do is pull up what we call the dollhouse. Oops, I'm sorry. And we can show them their house from this view. Show them how it's going to look. Just take the roof off of it. Show them down in the kitchen. Put the cars in the garage. One of the most common questions I get is, how big a garage do I need if I've got this size vehicle? And we can put the exact vehicle size that you need in your garage and show you how it works.
That is awesome, John. Thank you so much.